Dear students, good morning to all. Now we will going to discuss about the basic biology. Okay, listen. Now we will go to the class. First, cell. What is a cell? A cell is the smallest unit that is capable of performing the function. Cell is the smallest unit that is capable of performing life function. Then, cell theory. All living things are made up of cell. Cells are the smallest working units of all living things. All cell come from through the cell divisions. So, all living things are made up of cell. Listen. This is a organisms. Okay. Then types of cell. There are two types of cells. What are the two types of cells? Prokaryotic cell and then eukaryotic cells. Okay. There are two types of cells, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Okay. What are the characters of prokaryotic cell? Do not have structures surrounded by membranes. Few internal structures, one-celled organisms, bacteria. And then characteristics of eukaryotic cell. Contain organelles surrounded by membranes. Most living organisms. There are two types, animal cell and plant cell. In eukaryotic cell, animal cell and plant cell. See the picture, students. Animal cell structure. Okay, listen. Plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, lysosome and ribosomes. This is the structure of animal cell. Okay, listen. Next, structure of plant cell, students. This is a structure of plant cell. Listen. Cell wall, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole membrane, then mitochondria, this area also cytoplasm, the greenish area also cytoplasm, nucleus, nucleolus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth. Why it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Rough endoplasmic reticulum attached to the ribosome, so that is a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they do not contain ribosomes. Different organelles of animal cell: ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, cytoplasm, nucleus and cell membranes. Okay, listen. Bacteria. Bacteria is a simple structure. Lax membrane bound nucleus. Few bacteria causes some disease. Usually contain peptidoglycan. Listen, students. Shapes of bacteria: round shaped bacteria, rod shaped bacteria, spiral shaped bacteria. Round shaped bacteria have cocci. Rod shaped bacilli. Spiral shaped spring like. Okay. Then bacterial disease. What are the bacterial disease? Diphtheria, tuberculosis, whooping cough, tetanus, cholera, typhoid fever and bacterial density. That is a bacterial disease. Okay, listen. Then virus. Submicroscopic infectious agent, unable to grow or reduce outside a host cell, consist of genetic materials, viruses. Viral disease. What are the viral diseases? Influenza, common cold, smallpox, mumps, measles, German measles, poliovirus, and yellow fever. What are the symptoms of yellow fever? The body is fully color changed in yellow color. That is a yellow fever. And the fever time, the body is full changed in yellow color. Okay, then fungi. Eukaryotic again, heterotrophic organisms processing a chitinous cell wall. Some fungal species grow as single cell. Example, yeast, molds, mushrooms. What are the symptoms? Fluffy white patches, red inflamed skin, underpatch. Then disease caused fungi. What are the disease causes of fungi? Athletic foot, head ringworm, candidiasis also fungal disease. Then protozoan disease. One cell. What is protozoa? Protozoa is a single cellular organisms. What is mean by single cellular? Present only one cell. That is a single celled animals. So protozoa also single celled animals. Smallest of all animals. Only be seen under the microscope. They do breathe, move, reproductive like multi-celled animals. Then live in water where it is damp. Example, Paramecium euglena, amoeba. Some are harmful to man, causes serious disease. Helpful because they eat harmful bacteria and are food for fish and other animal. Also called fission. Then this is caused by protozoa. Malaria and amoebiasis. Malaria is caused by the constitutive Culex mosquitoes. Then amoebiasis is caused by the constitutive agent Endemoeba histolytica. Malaria is caused by the protozoan organism is a plasmodium. Then fundamentals of biology. The ingredients of life. The building blocks, organic compounds molecules containing carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. The organic compounds molecules, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, make life possible. High energy molecules. Energy used to synthesize. Energy released in breakdown. 4 types of organic compounds. Then carbohydrates, sugars. Glucose, metabolized for energy. Starches, long chains of simple sugars used for energy storage. Chitin, skeletal material, cellulose, cell structure. Then proteins, chains of amino acids. Muscles are mostly made up of proteins. Enzymes catalyze the reactions. Structural proteins, skin, hair, skeleton. Then hormones. Next one, lipids. Lipids is also fats, oils, and waxes. Energy storage, more than twice as much as sugar. Water repellent, buoyancy, then insulations, then hormones, then nucleic acids. Store and transmit the genetic informations of all living things. A long chain of subunits called nucleotides. Then DNA called the genome. Next is students biology. Already I told the definition of biology, students. The scientific study of the physiology, structure, genetics, ecology, distributions, classifications, and endemic importance of plants. Okay, listen. It is also known as plant science or plant biology. Example: algae, fungi, lichens, mosses, ferns, coniferous, and flowering plants. Then zoology, it is also known as animal biology. Then diversity in organisms. Organisms differ in their form, structure, and model of living. Then based on their similarities surrounded the group. Grouping of organism is known as classifications. The study of biological classification is called taxonomy. Then plants, animals, fungi, protista. Listen, all of you listen, students. This is a steps of botany. Okay, monera, protista, fungi, plantae, animals. Okay. First, monera. Monera is a prokaryotic unicellular. Observe or photosynthesize motile or non-motile asexual. Then protista. Protista is the eukaryotic. Listen, students. Monera is a prokaryotic. Protista is a eukaryotic, unicellular or multicellular. Okay. Okay. Next, plants. Plants eukaryotic, multicellular, photosynthesize, sexual. Then animals eukaryotic, multicellular, motile, sexual. Then fungi eukaryotic, multicellular. Observe the fungi. Okay, eukaryotic, multicellular. Then lichens. Lichens are composite symbiotic organisms made up of from members as the mainly as three kingdoms. Fungi are capable of making their own food. Lichens are used to various purposes like in industry, medicines, as fodder and food. This is, see the picture, student. This is a lichens. Then plant cell, students. Ribosomes, vacuole, cell wall, plasma membrane, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, plant cell. Okay, structure of plant cell: nucleus, nucleolus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast. This is the green plates-like structures, also known as the chloroplast. Then the greenish areas also cytoplasm, then vacuole, then ribosomes. Okay. Then plant cells. Plant cell is a fundamental structural functional unit of plant. Carries the metabolic activity. Carbohydrates are produced by green plants. They have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay. Okay. Then human needs. Listen, students. Human needs energy, shelter, clothing, health, food, oxygen. That is a mainly things of human needs. Okay, what are the mainly things of human needs? Energy, shelter, clothing, health, food, oxygen. That is a needs of in humans. Okay, thank you, students.